Water ball. Battery gone again. Don't take it, Ra. Don't take it. Receiver. If it is last, what you will do?
Yes.
Throw it. Mooda. No. Throw it away. This there.
Sir.
It is not its fault. It is our fault. Day. No.
It's fine.
We can edit it, sir. We'll edit it this thing.
No. After we get.
Mine 2 battery gone, sir. Right now. Same way.
Sir, mine only best, sir.
No. The way we did is not correct. Day, no.
Sir, XT60, sir. Sir, it is hot. Battery going.
Literally find the mistake. What it is.
Right, fine. I got it.
Because no. Yes, because of the puncture, it's the battery.
This time I will make sure it will have a proper space.
Yes, no proper. I won't say like that. Like keep it nut and bolt.